I'm John.
I'm James.
And we're the Lunchbox Boys here today with another From the Lunchbox to the Toolbox, in which we will be reviewing Venom, sugar-free, low-calorie strawberry apple, and Death Adder, the fruit punch variety. Now, our go-to kind of used to be, well, my go-to is Rockstar, but
me too.
We kind of used, we were big on Rip It for a while. 99 cents a can. It's cold. It's an energy drink.
It's worth $1.
Now, 99 cents at your local gas station. You can own one of 5 varieties. In today's episode, we will be doing 2. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and crack open the low-calorie strawberry apple.
Yes. See it in all its red goodness.
Very, very apple.
Very strawberry.
Both. All right. That is like liquid candy.
It really is.
I mean, I can't even tell it's low calorie. I mean, okay, I lied to you. I don't think it's sugar-free. I think what they're using is sucralose instead of high fructose corn syrup, so go Venom. Can't be that bad, because fucking that high fructose corn syrup is horrible for you.
Probably better tasting.
Would I drink this every day? Would I pound this down on a hot day? No.
Not a hot day. But if you
Would I drink it
a video game? Yes.
Would I drink it from time to time? Of course. Like I said, liquid candy. It's not the apex. It's not the cream of the crop. So I'm going to give it a 4.
4 out of 5?
3.75 or a 4.
I'm going to go with 4.25.
4.25. 4 1/4.
Out of 5.
Not bad.
No. 4 and that.
And the one that caught my eye, the fruit punch variety. My favorite all time would be Rockstar Punch. Pretty much anything that's a fruit punch energy drink, I'll go for.
Nah, not me.
So we're gonna go ahead and
Another red one.
the red.
Very fruit punch.
Smells like a.
Very fruit punch.
It's not like a nasty variety of fruit punch, though. It doesn't smell like it. Let's taste. All right, let's go.
Hawaiian punch.
Almost. Went down smooth. It's got a little bit of an aftertaste. I can't tell if I like it yet or not. Overall, I'm going to give this a...
I'll give it a 3.84.
I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5.
Whoa!
Death Adder. Snake you. What is the caffeine content? 160 milligrams caffeine per 16 fluid ounce serving. Not quite a Rockstar, because Rockstar Punch is around 240, so that'll cure what ails you.
I'll punch you in the balls. Rank! Wake up!
Rut-row raggy.
Woo!
I'm John.
And I'm Jeff.
Lunchbox Boys out.
Yeah.
Fucking Jeff.
Sorry.